So this is pretty much the heating pad that I use every day. I wake up in the morning, I make my coffee, I put this in my chair and I lean back, and oh, it feels so good on my lower back and sometimes my neck, and this works easily to wrap around your arm or your leg, and it's washable, so you just have to unplug this and you can wash it on delicate, and don't put it in the dryer, let it air dry, and then it's easy to operate. You've got the controller here, you've got your on-off button, and then you've got your temperature button to go up or down, and then your timer. So it goes from 30 minutes to 60 to 90 to 2 hours. So it's easy to use, and I travel with it because it rolls up so nicely and fits in my carry-on, and it really helps me when those hotel beds aren't necessarily as comfortable as I'd like them to be.